This video is sponsored by Gelato. Sign up today and get up to 50% off your first order. It takes time, energy, and dedication to grow an online business. Gelato has unveiled 3 new AI tools that can help you take your online print-on-demand business to the next level. In this video, I cover the new tools that are powered by artificial intelligence. Let's jump in. Now, if you're new to the world of Gelato, today is your lucky day. Gelato is a great print-on-demand supplier that interfaces right with Etsy or your online shop. Now, this means that when a customer buys one of your products, Gelato will print and ship the product right to the customer. I personally use Gelato for my print-on-demand stores, and they offer a huge variety of products and global shipping. I'll put a link to Gelato in the video description below so you can check them out for yourself. When you sign up, you can get up to 50% off your first order. Just a heads up, the link is an affiliate link, and this just means that if you sign up with Gelato through the link, I would receive a small commission. The first AI tool to showcase is Magic Mockups. Here I am inside my store. I've got my fine art print that I've uploaded. It's an 11 by 14 semi-gloss fine art print, and I'm going to go here now to continue to Mockups over on the right-hand side. So this is an already cool feature. You have the primary thumbnail, then you've got some different mockups here. But check this out. This is new, Magic Mockups right here. I'm going to click it, and now I can actually type in what I would like to see, and AI will generate it for me. So here I've typed in a vintage poster hanging in a metal workshop featuring power tools and sawdust, and now I'll generate the mockup. And here's the mockup that's been created. You can give it a thumbs up or a thumb down to try to train the AI. And from here, I can click Add Mockup. And now this is one of the mockups that I'll be using when I list my product in my store. I do want to point out that this feature only exists when you have a store linked in Gelato. Otherwise, you'll just have the standard mockups. Another great AI tool is Instant Collection. Now, with Instant Collections, you can upload all of your designs at once. You can apply them to any product, and you can generate full AI-optimized collections. These include things like titles, descriptions, and this happens all really quickly. Let me show you how this works. So here I am on the main page. I'm going to select my store, and I'm going to go over to Add Product. Now, normally, I would upload a single product. However, this is new. You can now upload multiple products from a template. So you just want to make sure that you've got a template created. Here I've got a template for 11 by 14 semi-glossy paper poster, and I'm going to be using that template in this walkthrough. So I've selected stores, and then I'm going to go into my store, and I'm going to select Add Product, multiple products from a template. This is new. I'm going to select this. Okay, now from here, I'm going to browse my files, and I'm going to upload my poster prints, and I'm going to upload a bunch of them. See how it says upload designs plural. Okay, and here I'm uploading 5 different propaganda posters, and we can see here all 5 are uploaded, and now I'll click continue. Now it's going to ask me to select my product template. So here's my product template. It's my semi-glossy paper poster, 11 inches by 14 inches. I'll select that, and now I'll click create products. It says ready to queue my products, and it'll take a few minutes to a few hours depending on how many products I've uploaded. And I'll click confirm. So check this out. When I go into my store and I see my different products, the names, the descriptions, they're all AI generated. I'm going to click on the second one, Vintage Patriotism Poster. I want to point out I did not type this in. So obviously you'd want to go through and double check that the listing is accurate from a text perspective. But this is a huge time saver, because the AI is recognizing the image and providing its own updated text. Here we can see this says, step back in time with this compelling vintage-inspired poster capturing the bold spirit and historical appeal of the Canadian Grenadier Guards. How cool is that? I did not write this. The AI wrote this, just based off of the picture. This can be a huge time saver. When you're setting up your store, simply bulk upload and let AI do the heavy lifting. The third AI tool is called Velocity Switch. If you're thinking about switching from your current print-on-demand company to Gelato, it can be incredibly daunting to manually set up hundreds or even thousands of products to another print-on-demand supplier. This is where Velocity Switch comes in. Here's how it works. First, you select your current store, and then you select products you would like to move. Next, you'll click Export your CSV file. Now you'll want to select this box which says Use AI for Product Mapping. This is really cool. Gelato's AI tool will now map your existing products catalog to Gelato's product catalog. This can save you hours of manual setup time. Once your file is ready, go to your store and select Bulk Operations and select Connect Products Using Files. Now you can upload your CSV file right there. The last step is to hit Connect. And just like that, your products will now be connected inside of the Gelato store. I really hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Gelato is a world-class print-on-demand organization that is your silent partner in your print-on-demand business. They're working hard behind the scenes so that you can spend more time creating and less time worrying about manual uploads and the day-to-day heavy lifting of a print-on-demand business. Do what you do best, design and sell. Here's another video on how you can have some fun in the world of print on demand using the powers of Gelato.